Did you know that nestled within this vibrant green leaf lies the secret to tranquility? Get ready to experience the calming power of lemon balm, also known as zen in a leaf. Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, is an herb with a rich history of soothing the mind and body. Its delightful lemony scent offers an immediate sense of relaxation, making it the perfect antidote to the stress of daily life. So how does this unassuming leaf hold such incredible powers? Lemon balm contains natural compounds that work to promote a sense of calm and ease anxious thoughts. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed or just need a moment to unwind, lemon balm can be your go-to remedy. Its calming effects extend beyond the mind, too. Lemon balm has been known to provide relief for digestive discomfort, insomnia, and even weakened immune systems. It truly is a versatile herb that offers a wealth of wellness benefits. But how can you enjoy the benefits of this magnificent leaf? Brewing a cup of lemon balm tea is one of the simplest and most effective ways to experience its calming properties. Just steep a few leaves in hot water for a few minutes, and let the aroma transport you to a place of serenity. Imagine sipping this soothing elixir as you watch the stress melt away, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. The worries of the day fade into the background as you embrace the zen-like state lemon balm has to offer. Unlock the power of peace and tranquility with lemon balm, a natural remedy that's been cherished for centuries. Discover the serenity within a single leaf and let its calming embrace bring balance to your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovering the calming power of lemon balm. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural remedies and wellness. Remember, true serenity is just one sip away.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.